Hi friends, in this video I am going to give you most important chapters and important themes within that chapter from Fundamental of Physical Geography book class 11th NCERT for the UPSC Prelims examination. Guys, these important chapters and important themes I have identified by doing 25 years PYQ analysis. First of all, I'll give you a solid reason why you need to read this book. Guys, in Prelims examination 2024, four questions directly came from this book. You can see question number 1, 2, 3, 4. All these four questions were directly from this book. Direct from this book. And to your surprise, these questions I had given in my NCERT test also. Therefore, guys, this book is one of the most important book as far as geography is concerned for the UPSC prelims examination. Can you imagine, from one book you are scoring 8 marks? This is like unbelievable as far as UPSC is concerned, where questions are becoming very dynamic and very unpredictable. So these are some sources which are static and where the return on your investment of time is very high. So you should read this book. So now let us start. So what I will do is that I will select important themes and chapters, and from there I will tell you which are the important topics. So guys, the first important theme is the earth. Under that, guys, there are two chapters: the origin and evolution of earth and interior of earth. Guys, both these two chapters are very popular in UPSC prelims examination. Questions have come on evolution of earth, atmosphere and hydrosphere, and origin of life. In the last 10 years, 2-3 times questions have come on this topic. So this topic is important. Next, guys, the popular topic is structure of earth. What is crust, what is mantle, what is core, what are their compositions. Then guys, plate tectonics, again a very important topic because plate tectonics is related to earthquake, volcanoes and tsunamis. So plate tectonic understanding is very important. Then guys, earthquake waves. Recently only, I think in 2022 or 2023 there was a question on earthquake waves. Then guys, volcanoes, last year only there was a question on volcanoes. And Pacific ring, very important. Pacific ring, why Pacific ring is one of the most volcanic regions of the world. Okay, there is a very important topic. And tsunami, although not covered in this chapter, tsunami is also very important, and volcanic landforms also you can prepare. Next important theme is landforms. This is not very popular, not very important. I would put this as a secondary chapter. So within this chapter, guys, weathering is a very important theme. Last year there was a question on weathering and soil formation. Okay, these two are the most important ones. You can also read landslides and geomorphic processes, what are endogenetic and exogenetic processes. So in landforms, guys, these two chapters are there. And within this chapter, guys, these are the two important themes which are very important. Okay, next, guys, moving on, this is the most VVIP topic, I will say. Climate. In climate there are two chapters: atmospheric circulation and weather systems, and water in atmosphere. Here, guys, the most important ones are the composition and structure of atmosphere. Then guys, solar radiation, heat balance and temperature. This is the most important topic, heat balance. Lot of questions are coming on heat balance. You can see last year also questions have come on this topic. You can see here atmosphere heating. Okay, this is a very popular topic, guys. Lot of questions do come from this concept. Then concept of winds, concept of cyclones, concept of evaporation and condensation, then precipitation pattern and thermal inversion. Precipitation pattern is a very important concept. Please do read what are the pattern of precipitation throughout the world. And here clouds also, clouds. Okay, types of clouds. This was asked by UPSC, I think 2 years back, types of clouds. So questions are coming on this chapter. This chapter is the most important chapter. I would like to request, read each and every line of this chapter, because questions are getting framed each and every line. These are just important themes I have given you, but to be very frank, this entire chapter is very important. Particularly, guys, now thermal inversion is becoming very popular. Lot of times in current affairs, thermal inversion topic is there in terms of the pollution problem, okay, during the winter. Okay, so this is a very important concept. Here I would like to tell you, guys, people who have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please do subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'll be helping you for the next 90 days. I'll be giving a lot of important topics which can help you to score high marks in the prelims examination. Also, guys, this is my Telegram channel, OPTIMIZEIAS, Ask Santosh Sir. This is my Telegram ID. You can contact me if you need any help. Let us move on, guys. Next one is oceanography. In oceanography, there is one chapter, motion of ocean water. Here, guys, hydrological cycle, then temperature profile of water, horizontal and vertical distribution of temperature, then relief features of ocean topography, very important, then waves and ocean currents. Here ocean currents are very important, very popular. Ocean currents are very popular in UPSC. Every 2-3 years you will have one question on ocean current. Okay, very important. Last but not the least is world climate and climate change. Here guys, world biomes, very popular. Every year one question from world biomes. And geochemical cycle also very frequent. One question is very frequent. Okay, so please prepare all the different cycles. What are the difference between these cycles? How the cycle operates? Very important. This is related to environment also. You will be reading this in your environment also. And world biomes, very important. So guys, if you want to cover all the important topics within these NCRTs, you can refer to our NCRT test. You can see guys, last year there was a direct question in the UPSC from our NCRT test. You can see this is our NCRT test. Direct, you see words are also matching. The pattern is also matching. Statement 1, statement 2, statement 1, statement 2. The reason is guys, we have covered NCRTs in depth. So if you are looking for any NCRT based test, guys, join our lecture test. It is really very high quality. Last year most of the NCRT questions came from the test series. You can see the proof here. You can see the proof here because even the question, these question was prepared from the NCRT. So if you read each and every line of NCRT, then guys, there is no chance you will miss the question coming from this theme, NCRT physical geography. Okay, but if you can't read each and every line, then you solve our 100 questions from this book. I have prepared 100 questions from this book. Okay, so if you want to cover this book, you can refer our NCRT test. Also guys, what you can do is that if you are looking for any PYQ discussion, you can see another question direct. Again, you see this question also again direct from our test. Okay, so if you want to solve the PYQs guys, then I have solved all the geography PYQs of last 25 years very analytically. This is in my PYQ mastery. Let me just show you guys. You can see here geography PYQ, geomorphology, geography PYQ, geomorphology part 2, then geomorphology part 3. Like this, I have covered the entire questions which can come from geomorphology, okay, which has already come in the UPSC. I have discussed. Then you can see here climate questions, here mountain questions, here drainage questions. So I have discussed entire geography PYQs of last 25 years, including recent CDS, CAPF, geoscientist examination also. Very useful, I am telling you, very useful. You can join this PYQ mastery by giving a telegram here. Do not call, just give a telegram ping here. And guys, this is really very useful. For the first time in India guys, a person who has cleared 6 out of 6 prelims with this many scores, okay, has come out with this kind of a PYQ analysis. This is really very useful because guys, having cleared the prelims examination 6 out of 6 times, I exactly know what is the thinking pattern of the paper setters, and I have analyzed the PYQ in that dimension only. So this is really very useful. So guys, please do consider liking this video and sharing this video with your friends, and you can contact me. Again, I'm saying this is my Telegram ID guys. You can contact me if you need any help regarding the prelims preparation 2025.